Welcome to Kuber Kushagra AI. We are actively developing an AI system designed to assist with stock trading decisions in the share market. While we are in the experimental phase and refining our engine, we are committed to transparency, documenting, and sharing the outcomes generated by this AI system. It is important to exercise caution when considering these transactions and conduct a thorough research of your own before following our actions. The stock market is inherently volatile and losses can occur unpredictably. Therefore, making informed decisions is paramount. Please note that this is for education purposes only. So, the stock idea for 26th February 2024, that is Monday, is Zensar Tech. Right now, the stock is trading at 537 rupees 75 paise, and using the strategy of this AI engine, we have made we can potentially make around 13.5% of profit in a matter of a month. So the upper circuit for this stock is 575 rupees and the stop loss is 530. We can see that recently the stock has slided down a little, but again it is moving up. So if we see the Bollinger Bands, it has crossed the lower Bollinger Band. One thing to note is the overall trajectory here seems flat. However, if you look at 3 months trajectory, this seems to be going up. Let's look at the RSI, and the stock is not oversold, but was very close to it few days ago. So this might be a good idea to buy. The beta ratio is also close to 1, so the stock will swing as per the market. Now let us have a look at some of the older recommendations or older ideas that we had shared throughout last week and even before that. So we started with Century Ply, and it had risen a little bit to about 2%, but the profits have kind of gone down again. And what we are seeing here is it has remained steady over last week after that. So no need to sell this right now, but we can hold and see what happens to it. So it is still in the above the lower band. So hopefully this stock will rise in the upcoming days. Elcon was a stock that we were just observing, and what we are seeing is it has risen by almost 2%, but this is not a buy idea as such. ZF India had risen a little, but again it has slided down by less than 1%. But the important thing to note here is that it has breached the lower circuit. So there is a chance that this stock may further slide down. So what we would say is maybe we can hold to see for another 0.5%. But if you want, maybe it is time to sell this particular stock. IDFC has risen by 2.5%, and I think it will continue to rise until at least 124 rupees. So hold on to this stock. Ajanta Pharma, again, it is risen by a little over 0.5%, and right now it is trading around 2,925. It may go up by around 50 more rupees. So let's see what happens there. Tata Communications has also risen by 1.5%, almost 1.5%. And um, the important thing here is that it has already breached the upper circuit, our target of 1800. It has breached that. Um, Having said that, let's hold on to this. Let's not hurry to sell it off. It may go up a little bit more. TI India again has slided more than 1%, but it has not yet hit the lower circuit. So hopefully this stock will rise up again. But it went up and has slided a little bit. So hopefully it should go up again. UNMO India has actually done really well, and what we are seeing here is that this stock has risen by over 3%, so 3.22% to be specific. And let's see how much more it can rise. Um, I think it should rise by 30 rupees or so, but it is going up, and hopefully it will continue its journey on the way up. Hindustan Unilever has slided down by 0.5%, but this is a solid stock. You don't have to really worry about it, although it has come really close to the lower band. So let's watch out for this for another couple of days, but hopefully it will start rising soon. Bajaj Finance has started to rise, but then it's a slow mover, and if you remember, this was a long-term idea. So let's see how it goes. Right now, it is close to 6,700 rupees, and it will hopefully continue to rise. And the last of our recommendations to be reviewed is Escorts. Escorts has slided down by 0.5%, but then it is not yet close to the lower circuit. So if I go here, it's not very close to the lower circuit. And let's see how it goes in the upcoming days. So thank you for watching this video and have a good day ahead.